for your calf raise intervals, you'll need something a couple of inches high, a timer, and it really helps to have something to just balance with you. I'm going to set my timer as soon as I start, and I'm going to do calf raises for 20 seconds, and then I'm going to rest in the high position for 10 seconds. So get my heels to the ground as high as I can with my heels every time. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now it's time for me to hold up in this high top position. So yeah, it's not really a rest. 9, 10, and then we go again. So this is it, I'm afraid. Now, how many rounds you do of this depends on how you put up with it the first time. So I would recommend that you don't really do any more than, say, 4 rounds. I've just completed one in a bit. So that would be 2 minutes. 4 rounds is 2 minutes. So let's start with that. As we do this weekly in your program, maybe let's try and aim to add another minute every week or two. That is calf raise interval.